Konnichiwa, watashi no namae wa Emiko desu. That's all I can say in Japanese for now. I just started learning Japanese. Not even learning, like literally trying to get hiragana down, the writing system. I have been studying Korean for a couple more months, but I'm not claiming to be fluent. I'm mainly just making these videos to track my progress, to see how far I can get in a certain amount of time. In a month, I'll probably do this again and see where we're at. So at this point, Kelly, all you could say was, hello, my name is Emiko, because you can't say Kelly in Japanese, so that's your name, Emiko, by the way. Don't change it. You better not have changed it 5 times. I know you're indecisive. Okay, so that's all for now. I can't say bye in Japanese either, so 안녕.